Hey guys, Be Twice here. Today's Thursday, June 3rd. We're going to be looking at PLTR and TLRY, two stocks that I have been in and have been performing pretty well over the last week or so. So we'll take a look at PLTR first. Basically, what I'm seeing is same thing I saw yesterday. I still think that we're in a five-wave move up, and ultimately our price target is 27. I saw that we went one, two, and then we have a five-wave or three waves up. We're down for a four. We have A, B, C down for a four. We actually touched this trend line. Didn't go below it, popped up for a one, two, three. We pulled back for four. I do think that 2336 area was the low, and now we're going up for a one, two, and we're going to see a five-wave impulse that's ultimately going to take us to 2550. I think we'll see this 2550 sometime within the next probably week or 2 weeks. From there, we'll pull back again for a wave four, and then from there we'll rally back up and probably hit our high of 27. Once we do get into this 26, 27 range, when we do top, there will be a pretty significant pullback. I see this as a higher degree one, so we'll lose 60, or we'll probably lose around 60% of the gains that we got from the 16 level. So this high in the wave count, definitely be careful, but I do still see some upside in PLTR. All right, so Tilray. So Tilray's obviously been squeezed. I started playing it honestly because I knew that there was a potential for it to get squeezed. And then once I actually did the wave count of it, I saw that I thought it bottomed, and I was like, wow, this is actually a better setup than I thought, and a good time to go long. So with that being said, I originally saw one, two. We pulled back to the 50% retracement. We went up for five. That took us up for a wave three. We pulled back for a four, and then we went one, two, three, four, five. I do see that we topped with what I'm calling this blue wave 5, and that right now we're in the process of pulling back. So this is a wave 1 of a higher degree. It went above my price target of 1936 because obviously it's being squeezed. Um, It'll pull back, hopefully hold this trend line. So I do think if we can get this to pull back down to the 17 range where it can come down and touch this trend line, the quicker it comes down, obviously, the quicker it'll hit this trend line. But when it comes to this area, I think this is a great buy spot because there's a really good chance that this will be the bottom of wave two and that it will pop back up to the upside. Um, so with that being said, I'd definitely be watching this area. And then if it does break this trend line and go lower, I probably would get out at that point just because it could potentially fall pretty low. At the start of this wave count, we were looking at price of 13.4, so um, I would definitely get out if it goes sub 17. So, all right, guys, if you like these videos, go ahead and hit a like and subscribe.